Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma henen kesngi ulaong bakalong ke Jingkynnoh ke bamsong nongrim ya ka tenat Pulit ka bapenlong ya ka jingtalasi ya kinong wanket Umphniang. Haba ka jingshisha kalong bakile yala ka kamram lejong kenang bante lakam Halor ka jing ujor sya atu Umphniang bat ka jingbambiang kirukom penyai. Da ka bapenpau ya ka jing yasha ya ki Pulit Halor ka jing tu Umphniang usang ma ulaong bakalong ka bedon kam ban sngot hu ya ka nongrim Halor ka ni. Ulaong syu ba ulayo pdiang ya ka jing ujor na ki trai jong ki petrol pump ba kaladon ka jing jaw lani ka jing lat cherut jong ka Umphniang. Ulaong bakila penlong ya ka jing toket ha ka bayadei bat kini ki jing ujor bat kila syam katu kat ni ki sabut Halor ka jing bambiang ka rukom penyai.
So I have received a complaint from the petrol pump owners that the different tankers that were supplying petrol to the petrol pumps, that there was siphoning or leakage of the petrol in sense of certain locations, certain tankers were taking out the petrol and then siphoning it off and not giving the total supply which was meant for the petrol pumps to them. Based on their complaint, we went into an inquiry. Based on that inquiry, they found some evidence and some fact into this particular alleged mismanagement. So therefore, police was not harassing anybody. It's a complete misconception. Police was only doing their duty to ensure that the goods, that means the petrol and the diesel products, which was meant to come in 100% supply to the petrol pump, should come.